Oh, I see. Yeah, you probably was using your little thumb tappity tap tapping on that screen, or you was using that little mouse and clickety click clicking on there, and look where it got you. Yeah, may live to regret that decision. Oh, as long as you're here, I reckon we could have us a word or three. This here channel you see, called The Old Guy Does AI. Right. In case you hadn't guessed it yet, I'm the old guy. Yes, sirree, that's me. So anyhow, as long as you're here, I wanted to introduce myself, let you get to know me a little bit, tell you about this here channel. A while back, I was thinking, been watching things, seeing things changing. Sure enough, one of the things I was hearing about all the time on every dadgum channel you could imagine was AI this and AI that, blah-de-dee blah blah blah. AI. What in the Sam Hill is that contraption? But anyhow, I got to thinking about it. As I was thinking and pondering, I got kids, grandkids, love them dearly. I figure they're going to grow up in a world full of that stuff. At work, at home, at school, AI everywhere. So, I was going to stay relevant in the lives of my children and grandchildren. I'd best get with it and learn a thing or two about this stuff. And then, as I was thinking some more, pondering on it, I reckon there's some of you out there, old guys and old gals like me, kids and grandkids, might want to stay relevant in the lives of your children too. So, a couple of things I want to set straight before we get started here if we're going to be working together. If you're looking for some kind of expert or guru, you might as well move on along. That ain't me. There's 10,000 of them down the way there. You just keep on scrolling. You'll find them. They're yappity yap yapping all day long. You might learn something there too. I don't know. But plain simple language is your kind of thing, because it's my kind of thing, then I'll make a promise to you on this channel. I'll be laying out some information, level on the up and up, plain simple, about this AI business. Learn a thing or two, might be able to help us in our day-to-day lives, help us stay relevant in the lives of our kids and grandkids. And I hear tell down there somewhere, there's something you can tappity tap tap or clickety click click and give the old guy a big old thumbs up. If you do that, let me know you was here. I'd appreciate it. And if you want to come along in here with us, throw in, learn a thing or two about this AI business, there's another button down there that says you can subscribe. That way you'll be coming back to see us from time to time. Looking forward to meeting some of you, get to know you old guys and gals out there. Anyhow, appreciate you stopping in. Hope you come along with us on this adventure, this quest, learn a little something about AI. Looking forward to it. Before we part ways here, I figured I'd give you some parting words. Wisdom from my old friend, Cowboy Jim. Cowboy Jim used to say, boy, keep your tailgate up, keep your powder dry, and whatever you do, don't squat with your spurs on. You hear me? Alrighty, this old guy signing off. I'll see you soon.